Hiccups for Elephant. Now the author is James Preller and the pictures were drawn by Hans Wilhelm. He was the illustrator. So here we go. This is the title page, Hiccups for Elephant. It was nap time. All the elephants were fast asleep. Here they are. Except for Elephant. He had the hiccups. Hiccup! Chimp woke up. Boing! I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Elephant gave it a try. Do you think that'll work? Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. Did it work? Hiccup! Now Lion woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water very, very fast. Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank and drank. Didn't get worked. Hiccup! And now Zebra woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Elephant gave it a try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hiccup! Mouse woke up. What's all that noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. Poor elephant has the hiccups, Chimp exclaimed. Mouse looked Elephant in the eye. Boo! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups. Works every time, Mouse said. All the animals fell back to sleep. Except for Elephant. Achoo! I like that story. Now, I'd like you to write a sentence about that book, Hiccups for Elephant. Now, normally I'll be sitting with you and you can tell me what sentence you'd like to write, but because we're not sitting together today, I've made up a sentence and I'm going to send you a piece of paper home with all the lines written on it, just like normal. So the sentence I'd like you to write today is, elephant had the hiccups. Now I'll put the lines on the paper for you, and if Mummy can show you the 2 cards, just like I normally show you to choose from for each one, for each letter, for each word, then it'll be just like normal. And you can pop it in your bag afterwards, send it back to school. And you can do a picture on the back as well. I'd love to see a picture. Right, well, I'll see you tomorrow for another story.